Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find WordPress pages in cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, you have to open your cpanel and then go to database section, and inside of this database section you will find php-admin. So click on it. And now from here you have to open the database which one is connected with your website. So I'm going to open my database and then click on WPP post, and here you can see my website post and pages, as you can see. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the video description below. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel How to Unmute. Thank you so much for watching.